Well, we are tracking some rain on Fox Radar 3D a little bit to help out all of the pollen that's just all over everything. Our deck is white but looks yellow right now because it is just completely coated in that pollen. We've had a few scattered showers and even a few rumbles of thunder just north of Spartanburg near Boiling Springs, Lyman, Campobello. This is close by to you too. And all of this is going to be rolling towards Spartanburg. Nothing dangerous, but enough that where it could slow you down if you are out on the roadways. But otherwise, just seeing a little light rain toward Cherokee County, and then as we head a little bit farther to the west, the rain has been very sparse in areas near Seneca, Clemson, over toward Easley, and up in western North Carolina, very spotty in nature. Kind of reminds you of a typical summer day. It got pretty warm. In fact, we've been in the low 80s, so a lot of that kind of feeding these little pop-up showers and isolated thunderstorms, and we'll see more of that tomorrow. But whew, warm right now. 83 in Anderson, 76 for you up in Asheville, 81 in Spartanburg. Tomorrow, back into the 80s for the second half of the day. Rain will be a bit more widespread, and we could get a couple of stronger thunderstorms. I'll show you that in a second. 77 for western North Carolina. Dry the first half of the day, and then with that heat, that's when we'll begin to see some of those thunderstorms build. We're going to give it a 7 on the sky meter since temperatures won't be too hot and we'll have a fairly low coverage of rain. But wherever we do see any rain, it does appear that we could see some stronger storms. I want to fast forward. We're going to clear out tonight and into early tomorrow. But here's 3 p.m. on Tuesday. We're seeing some scattered showers develop, even some heavier downpours. Could get some gusty winds and even some isolated hail. But by the time we get into the late evening hours Tuesday night, most of that clears out. We do add that level 2 risk of severe weather going into the day tomorrow. That's indicated by the yellow shading. Much of our area included in that. So again, we'll be on the watch for any isolated severe weather. Now going into Wednesday, our rain chance goes back down to 20%, high of 84. That'll be our warmest day, close to records. 85 is the record high for Wednesday. And then heading into Thursday should be mostly dry, only a slight chance of rain Friday. And then into this weekend, looks like we're going to have some cooler weather settling in. Of course, it's Easter weekend and it's hard. I know we can't really get out and about. Services have been canceled. But if you do plan to do maybe some egg hunts in your backyard, there does look to be at least a small chance of rain going into Easter Sunday.